Hi, in this tutorial, we will learn how to auto-post the most recent videos from YouTube about a specific keyword. Let's create our YouTube campaign. Select YouTube as the campaign type. Write your desired keyword. Disable the caching option so the plugin can call YouTube every run instead of caching the old results. Set the search order to be by date, so the most recent videos are returned for the search. You can also set the plugin to exclude videos posted more than a specific time. For example, this configuration will skip the video if it was posted more than 1 hour ago. Click this button to save the campaign. Click the Run Now button to start processing the campaign now. The campaign imported the most recent videos for the added keyword. It will also make sure the imported post was added to YouTube during the last hour only. Thank you for watching. Plugin link is on the description.